Hey there, my name is Chirag. I'll walk you through the feedspace demo and explain how you can collect, manage, and share testimonials for your businesses. Before that, I'll explain you why we built feedspace. With AI, anybody can create videos and can claim that these videos are their customer testimonials. But at some point, people will realize that and they want authentic human voice and the videos. And that's why we built feedspace that will help you to collect authentic video testimonials easily. So let's dive in. As you can see the website, click on the sign up. And once you finish the sign up procedure, you will land on the page called setup. Think of feedspace as a three-phase product. The first is it helps you to collect reviews and testimonials. Either you can import your reviews from internet, or you can create review form and then share with your customers to record the authentic videos. Then you put together all those testimonials in a page. We call it a wall of love that you can share with your potential customers, or you can embed widgets on your website. And it's a proven fact that having the testimonial section on your homepage will definitely increase the conversion rate, and so that you can grow your business better. So let's walk through that. Okay, so first is import reviews. So when you click on it, or you can click on the import on the left side bar, it opens the list of import options that we have. You can import reviews if you have somewhere on your Google Drive. You can import it manually here. If you have videos somewhere, you can import it here. If you have the reviews on your CSV file, upload that CSV file here, or somewhere on the website you have, just paste the link here and import. On top of that, we have 80 plus platforms that we support. From that, you can import the reviews of your businesses or your customers' businesses. So I'll first go to Google. I'll search TechUp Labs. Okay, you can see the search result based on the Google map. And this is the company that I would like to import the reviews. I'll choose that and click on Get Review. Okay, 3 reviews. I can see it here. Now, you have a choice. Either you can select what you want to import, or you can import all. And this is setup auto sync. What does it mean is that feedspace will automatically import the new and the fresh reviews from this particular source every day. So you do not need to manually import that here. It's a very good feature for the automation setups if you would like to. Okay, so I selected and I'm going to import these 3 reviews. Good, says imported. And the way to see all those reviews is we call it feedbox. That's where you will see all the imported reviews and all the reviews that you collected from the review form. So let's create the form now. Click on form, click on create form, put a simple description. Let's say video testimonial feedback form for my online coaching business. Okay, pretty simple. Click on generate form. The feedspace AI behind the scene will fill all the information in the review form and generate the form for you. So you don't need to spend a lot of time filling all these small fields in the form. Let's see. Okay, so the form has been generated. The title has been generated. They put the welcome GIF and they also put the description. Now you have full control here. You can change the title. Just click here and it will show you where to change. Share your journey, or if you want to change anything apart from share your journey, you can add it. Or let's say if you want to put emoji, you can just press here and say put any emoji that you want to put. If you want to change description, make a change here. Currently, it allows the video recording, but if you want to allow screen recording, turn it on, turn it off, audio, text. I'll go with the text, and I also want to allow the upload files. If you want video file or audio, keep it, otherwise turn off the audio file. Now that's a welcome page, we set it up. Go on to the next one, which is a capture review. The media duration by default is 1 minute, but if you would like to record the testimonial for 3 minutes for your customers or 5 minutes, just click on it and then system will set it up such a way. Now for the text review, you have choices. Either you can record thumbs up or thumbs down or star rating. At the star rating, if you want to redirect your customer to give review on your Google review page, just turn it on, choose your business. Now what will happen is for 1, 2 and 3 star, the customer's review will stay inside feedspace. But the moment they click on 4th or the 5th star, they will be redirected to your Google review page where they can give directly a review on your public Google business profile. You can also change the button label, the comment placeholders, and user instructions at the end. It will help your customers to understand that what they should record or type in a which manner as per the questionnaires. Click on 7 next. At the user details page, you have option to collect the user information. If you want to collect their photo, turn it on. If it is required, just mark this as required. If you want to collect the name and you want it, just click on mark as required, and system will ask your customer to enter the name. Otherwise, it will not allow them to submit the testimonial. Apart from this field, if you want to add any field as per your need, for an example, address, just add the custom field, put the title, and you can collect the addresses as well. At the last, collect consent. Click on 7 next. At the thank you page, you have option to show the message, or you can redirect to your website. I'll keep it show message for now. As a word of mouth, it will allow your customer to share their reviews about your business on internet. So I'll keep it turned on. If I don't want the GIF at the last, I'll just turn it off. Click on 7 next. Design part. Upload your logo here. It will help your customer to recognize the form well. Change the gradient background if you wish to change and match it as per your branding, or if you want to put a solid color, you can go ahead with that as well. If you want to darken the background, simply turn it on. It looks really good. And other shadow options and the border option and the button color option. Click on 7 next. You can activate the custom domain here so that the form will be on your domain instead of feedspace.io. If you want to remove the feedspace branding, which is capture review with feedspace here, you can turn it on as well, and then click on 7 share. Great. Form is created. You click on open, and it opens the form here in a new tab where you can see the form that you were seeing on the wizard. That looks exactly the same here. Okay, you can see the form here, and this is how your customer can provide video or text testimonial to your businesses. Now, I'll walk you through what are the other ways you can utilize this form. If you have an offline event, download the QR code, print it on the banner or the stickers, and put it at the event. If you want to add this website or the form on the website, choose either inline embed or a pop-up widget, get the code, put it on your website, and the form will be visible on your website. Very easy way to capture authentic reviews. And if you want to send emails to your customer, we gave you the predefined template. Simply copy that, put your company's name, put the customer's name, and you're ready to send the email. These are the options to spread the form across the internet to capture the reviews. Okay, so we imported reviews, we created a form. The next is we will create page, and most of the times people call it wall of love because that's where they put all the good reviews and put it into a nice page and showcase on their website. So let's create wall of love. So when I click on create wall of love, it has automatically selected 3 to 4 reviews from the reviews list that I have. And as you can see here, if you want to change it, just uncheck what you don't want to show and just keep it what you want to show. Click on 7 next. Now here you have ability to upload again your logo. You can put the links. You can also change the background image. If you want to change the color, you can change that. We give a nice gradient view on that. And you can also put a description and the title, like see what our customers are saying about us. Pretty cool. Now see here button is what makes more sense. That's where you can either collect leads or you can redirect your customers to wherever you want. So I'll put a feedspace.io/contact. Okay. And want to change button color, button text, we gave a total customization. If you want to show the display review date, just turn it on. It shows the date here. If you don't want, turn it off. Display rating, enable read more, like that. Or go with the dark theme. This looks good in my case, so I'll keep it for now. Click on 7 next. A cool feature here is that if you want to reorder the reviews, if you want to show something first, just drag and drop. Pretty simple. It will always show that review first. Click on 7 next and click on 7 share. Now that's where you get a link, which is a dedicated landing page on Feedspace domain about your wall of love. Or you can again download the QR code, put it on the offline events, or you can add this form on your website. If your website is in light mode, choose light mode, or dark mode, choose on dark mode, and then click on generate embed code. Put this code on your HTML website. Remember, if your website is in Framer or a Next.js framework, follow these steps, not this above step. Okay. So the moment you will embed the wall of love on your website, how it will look like is I'll show you the way we embed it on our site. So you can see when you scroll down, this is our wall of love, which we embedded on our site. And that's the way you can also embed on your homepage to increase the trust to your visitor. Next is we'll create widget. So click on create widget, or you can also click on left side bar. And we have 7 to 8 types of widgets available, from carousel to strip, sliders to avatar group. Now just choose what is good fit for your website. There are a bunch of rules around that. If you would like to increase the CTA click, put an avatar group nearby the button, right? If you have a long list of testimonials, choose carousel so that on the left and right, it just keeps on getting scrolled. For now, I'll go ahead with the imaginary. And when you click on that, the system will automatically create the widget here. You can see that. And we have the total customization option available here. Want to show date, want to show rating, want to enable the dark mode, whatever fits best to your website. Just choose that, click on 7 next. If you want to reorder that, click on 7 embed later on, and then get a code, put this code on your website wherever you want to show that widget, and the widget will be displayed very beautifully. So we have embedded some widgets on our site. I'll show you. So if you see on the home page, we have this avatar group with all of our real customer, their real face, and the real words that they said, and there is a source where they said as well. It increases the trust. On the bottom left corner, you can see this floating box. Down there, you can see the wall of love. And we put bunch of places, the strip sliders and the other single reviews, etc. So on the help center, I'll just show you. Here we put a single slider, and down there, if you click on FAQ, okay, here is an example of strip slider. Okay, so that's feedspace high level. You collect and import the reviews in it, then you create page and widget, and then you can embed that to your website. To know more about automation, custom domain, and settings, please head towards the help section or just click on that. It's very easy to understand. Thank you so very much.